Hey everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into InstaNoodle and VideoScribe and Doodly. So we are going to compare these three websites or tool, you can say that. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this video will help you choose the right platform for your need. So, for instance, imagine you're a marketer or educator who need to create engaging explainer videos without a clear system to design animation, add voiceover, and export high quality videos. You might struggle to meet deadlines and captivate your audience. So, here are the three tools. Basically, they solve the entire problem, and obviously, we'll talk about in detail here. So, let's get started with the InstaDoodle here. InstaDoodle is a budget-friendly AI-powered tool designed for quick and easy whiteboard animation. It offers drag and drop functionalities, pre-built templates, and automate, drawing effort. Now, if we just talk about here, it is VideoScribe. So, VideoScribe is a feature-rich platform, very popular, known for its realistic hand drawing animation. It provides a wide range of customization options, including custom images, fonts, and soundtrack. And the last one is a Doodly. Doodle is a versatile tool that supports multiple animation style, including whiteboard, chalkboard, and glassboard. It's ideal for users who want flexibility and creative control. So here, InstaDoodle is very friendly with drag and drop functionalities. There's a minimal setup required, ideal for quick projects, and there's a limited advanced features. VideoScribe is have a little bit moderate learning curve due to extensive customization option, requires some practice to master hand drawing efforts, right? And there's obviously tutorials and other stuff which will help you to learn. But Doodly is also user friendly because this is what their main feature is, and in with intuitive controls, offers tutorial and templates for faster onboarding. This is a slighter, steeper learning curve than InstaDoodle, but easier than VideoScribe. So if you're new to whiteboard animation, start with InstaDoodle or Doodly. If you're new, if you need advanced features, VideoScribe is worth the investment. If we talk about the customization, so InstaDoodle has a pre-built templates and limited customization, support basic text, ideal for simple, straightforward animations. VideoScribe has a highly customizable with custom fonts, images, and soundtrack, realistic hand drawing effects here, and perfect for professional grade animators. Doodly has a multiple animation style, extensive library of assets, including characters, props, and backgrounds, great for creative project requiring varieties. So choose VideoScribe for maximum customization and realistic animation here, or Doodly for diverse animation styles here. If we talk about the pricing, so here InstaDoodle. So let's just go and check the pricing. Just simply, if you just go and click on buy now here, you can see it comes with $47. That's the lowest one. And the middle one is around $67. And the agency, which is basically $127. And obviously, each plan is better than the last one. If we talk about here, VideoScribe, and VideoScribe pricing is slightly different because it provides you 7 days free trial, right? And you can try it up, and if you want, you can buy it. And obviously, if you have a lot of users, you can also go with the users here, which is basically a core and max, and you can check the exact pricing if you increase the users here. Now, the last one is a Doodly. So let's go to their Doodly pricing here. You can also try Doodly for 14 days free trial, right? And once you are convinced with the Doodly, you can just buy it. Now here, you can see annually is slightly expensive. That is 17%. Sorry, monthly is 17% expensive than annually. Now it gives you only two plan, which is here. You can check this out, and very simple, and you can buy. Right. So if budget is a concern, then InstaDoodle is the way to go because it costs you very less. And for premium features, VideoScribe and Doodly are better investments, right? And if you talk about the quality, the output, so InstaDoodle HD videos exports with decent quality, right? Limited resolution option, and compatible with third-party editing softwares too. Now, VideoScribe has a high quality 4K export, advanced rendering options, and compatible with third-party editing softwares too. Right now, if you talk about the Doodle, it also gives you HD video export with good quality. That is a 1080p. It has a basic resolution option sufficient for most projects, and there's an easy integration with editing tools. So for high resolution professional grade, you can go with VideoScribe is unmatched because it provides you the 4K quality here. For standard projects, Doodly and InstaDoodle are, slightly solid choice. So when to choose each tool? So you can go with the InstaDoodle if you are on a tight budget. You need quick, simple animation. You are beginner with no prior experience, and you can choose VideoScribe if you want to learn something, because it will require some basic, moderate learning curve. Right? You require professional grade animations. You want customization. You're willingly to invest time and money for high result. Doodly, if you want flexible in animation styles, you need a balance between affordability and functionality. If you're looking for a creative freedom without a steeper, learning curve, then you can go with Doodly. I hope you understood. This was it. I hope you found this video very useful. And if you did, please give us a like and subscribe.